Welcome to Adventures and Pop-Ups, where we do campsite reviews, tips, and tricks to help you make your camping adventure more fun. Today, we're going to do a campsite review on 4 Mile Creek Campground in Niagara Falls area.
Okay, well, I'm so glad we stayed here. This was awesome. Can you see back there? That's Lake Ontario. We're right on Lake Ontario.
It's huge.
It's huge and it's awesome. On the way here, we were passing Lake Erie and Lake Ontario, and the kids kept saying, "It's still there?
The ocean.
Is that the ocean?" It's gorgeous, and the sun sets right over the lake, and you can watch it right from your campsite. We're on our campsite right here at Site 79, by the way. It's right next to the yurts. It's not too far from the bathrooms. It's gorgeous. Niagara Falls, all the different things by there, was about a 25 to 30 minute drive. Also, major hack, when you stay here, you get free parking at any state park. Mostly Niagara Falls State Park, you get free parking. So that's $10 every time you go.
There's a couple of different paid parking areas over by there. So.
Yeah, you can pay for parking anywhere, but as long as the lot's not full, you got free parking. You just have your little pass on your rearview mirror.
Tell them where you're staying.
So this place has electric only, and we filled our not gray water, what do you call it?
Our water tank.
Our water tank as we came in, which lasted about 2 to 3 days, and we were here for 4, so it's okay.
Toronto's just across the lake, about 26 miles away. It's beautiful.
Yes, and there's also a huge playground. By the way, if you've watched my video about how to pick a great campsite, I'm thanking myself right now, because the campsite map does not even show the playground that is right by us. It is the largest playground in the whole place. It's really nice. It looks fairly new. It's right across from the bathrooms, and it's great. All the kids, the cousins, we went with my in-laws. They're all playing at the park, having a great time. They're riding their scooters up and down. It's a very quiet, safe area. It's just gorgeous. I feel like we should come back just to watch a few more sunsets.
Yep, definitely.
And you can get to the lake shore. It's not a big beach or anything, but you can get down to the lake shore, and it has just like a rocky area that was a lot of fun. Throw a few rocks in the lake.
Skip them. A lot of flat rocks.
Watch the waves. Make a stack of rocks. It's good times. Simple pleasures. If you watched our meal planning video, some of the things that I mentioned on there, we had brats and hot dogs over the campfire, and we did steaks over the campfire one night. Also, one thing we added was frozen French fries. I bought a big bag of crinkle cut French fries, and then I put I got a big sheet of foil, and I put a little bit of cooking oil, French fries, made a foil packet. We started them off on top of the grill, but then we ended up needing the grill space at the campfire ring, that is. We needed the space for the steaks, so we actually put them like right up on the campfire, and they were pretty good. We probably should have gave them a few more extra minutes, but it's nice because they're already pre-cooked a little bit, so they're not raw potatoes. They're pre-sliced. They're good to go. A little bit of ketchup if your kids want it. I had them straight up, add a little seasoning. S'mores every night. We've had s'mores every night this week, except for the one night we got
just
here.
Just marshmallows.
Or just marshmallows one time. The one time we didn't was when we got here. We barely missed a rainstorm. I mean, we were looking at the skies going, oh man, hurry up, set up.
Right,
and we got set up in 15, 20 minutes. We did pretty good. And then the rain came, and it was wet. But we were inside, we were set up, and his sister cooked dinner on the Blackstone. It was pretty good. Carnitas with potatoes and stuff.
Yummy.
It was good. Worked out well. We had hot chocolate and coffee instead of s'mores.
Yeah.
That was good.
That was good.
Yeah.
We were tired. Long day of driving. Well, campsite review, huh?
Yeah, what do you think? How many stars?
Location. I mean,
I know.
It's got to be 4 stars because it's right on Lake Ontario.
4.5?
Awesome views. Our site's 79, right?
Yep, 79.
I went for a hike this morning or yesterday morning. And on the other loop, just over behind you, off camera here, there is 2 sites I really like, 238 and 224. 238 has a big fence area for extra safety, and 224 has really good open views, and the fire ring is closer toward the lake. So you're not so far away. From here, it's maybe, 200 yards? 150 yard walk down to get a close look at the Lake Ontario, and there's a bench out there, but there's only one. I wish there was a few benches out there.
Yeah, it's been nice. That bench was calling my name. I spent some quiet hours first thing this morning out there, and it was lovely. I do actually like having the field back here for all the kids to run and play and not feel like they're gonna run off into the water, though. It's nice having some extra space.
People put some blankets out and brought their chairs out and kind of watched the sunset out there too.
Yeah, people with telescopes, people with cameras.
But amenities, they have some nice bathrooms, decent bathrooms, and hot showers, and flushable toilets. Showers. We love flushable toilets. What else? A couple of playgrounds. They got a camp store.
Yep, camp store.
Firewood and ice, and
Oh, but
different things.
I was going to say too, this is a good place if you want to go with somebody that's not a camper because there's yurts right there.
Yep.
And they're pretty cool. I looked at the website.
We'll include a video clip.
Yeah, they've got stuff on their website. They don't have bathrooms, so I wish they did. They've got AC and heat and a little kitchen and stuff.
Windows and doors. Windows and doors, and they're a big circle tent, basically.
They're cool. I was going to say that also a few campsites down, I'll drop in a photo. I think it was 83. That campsite had a better fire ring, and it was pretty shady. It had like a little row of trees separating you from one of your neighbors, and so I thought that was, and it was closer to the bathrooms. I think we might even pick that one if we were to come back here.
Adjustable campfire.
Adjustable
cooking.
ring, was a little better.
Cooking.
So what we've done here, we did Niagara Falls, which is all kinds of stuff. There's Three Sisters Island, Goat Island. You can see Horseshoe Falls, American Fall, Bridal Veil Falls. There's a movie. There's all kinds of different stuff. Please do the Maid of the Mist. Don't come all this way and skip the Maid of the Mist. It was so cool. They give you a poncho and you go right up to the falls. It was not scary. It was just plain awesome. Even some of my kids that were nervous, they all loved it.
Yeah.
And then there's some other state parks around here too. There's Devil's Hole State Park, Whirlpool State Park, Old Fort Niagara, which is inside of Niagara State Park. That place had another beach access. It's all rocks. It's not really a beach. However, it was gorgeous and it was beautiful. There's just lots to see. It's a beautiful country here.
Thanks for watching, and in case you want more information on making your campsite and camping adventure more fun, more comfortable, check out our video on our top 10 hacks or mods.
Yeah, that's a good one. Find out how to have the best night's sleep. Find out how to have some good water. Find out how to reflect those sun rays and keep in your heat or air conditioning. There's all kinds of tips and tricks here. Check us out, and we'll see you on our next adventure.
Adventures and Pop-Ups.